Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the holly and berries applique that I made as part of my winter blanket. For this pattern I will be using a 4mm crochet hook along with some green and red worsted weight yarn. We're going to start with the green yarn to make the leaves. We're going to start with a slip knot and chain 12. Once we have our 12 chains, we are going to slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. And then in the next stitch, a single crochet. And then in the next stitch, another single crochet. Now we're going to chain 3. And then slip stitch back into the first chain that we made. So that'll give us a little point for the leaves. Then in the next stitch on the chain, we are going to make a single crochet and then also a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. We're going to make another point, so chain 3 and then slip stitch back into the first chain. And then we are going to single crochet into the next 3 stitches on the chain. 1, 2, 3. Make another point, so chain 3. And then slip stitch back into that first chain. In our remaining 2 stitches, we are going to single crochet 1 in each. So this is what it should be looking like. You have these points here, and then we will continue by working on the other side of this chain. So to work on the other side of the chain, we are just going to flip our work. So the other side of the chain is on top, and we are going to make a single crochet into that first chain, and it's technically the chain that we worked our last single crochet in. So we're going to put a single crochet into there. And then in the next chain, a single crochet. Now we're going to make a point, so chain 3 and then slip stitch back into the first chain. We're going to single crochet into the next 3 chains. We're going to make another point, so chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain, and then make single crochets into the next 3 chains. Another point, chain 3, slip stitch into the first chain, and then we are going to single crochet into the next 3 chains. And then we're just going to slip stitch to this tip here and chain 1 to fasten off. So you'll want to make 2 of these leaves, so go ahead and make another leaf. Once you have 2 leaves, we're going to work on the berries, which are very simple. We're just going to make a magic ring with the red yarn, chain 1, and then make 8 single crochets into the ring. Once you have 8 single crochets, go ahead and pull that tail tight and then join to the first single crochet. Chain 1 to fasten off. And then there is 1 berry. For this applique, I made 3 berries, 2 leaves, and for the leaves, where we ended is the point going outwards, and then the other side is where the berries will be placed. So once you have your 2 leaves and your 3 berries crocheted, you can arrange them how they are in this photo and sew them onto your square or whatever project you were working on. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new today, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.